Bitcoin explosion, bull run 2022. That is the question. And we're going to look into the Bitcoin price, look at the Bitcoin price prediction, and do some technical analysis on Bitcoin. And there might be something that's hiding in the Bitcoin chart, which I want to show to you. Please take note, this is not financial advice and it's only for entertainment purposes. And you still need to do your own research before investing into Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, because the cryptocurrency space is very volatile, and just like you can make a lot of money, you can also lose a lot of money. So don't FOMO into a project just because it's pumping or because I'm bullish on it. But yeah, let's jump into it. This is actually very exciting. So if you look at the overall market cap for cryptocurrencies, you can see that we dropped below the $2 trillion market cap. Bitcoin, Ethereum still the dominant. Well, they'll always be the dominant, still with 41% and 19%. My crypto portfolio allocation is still in this range, and that's how I also like to have my crypto portfolio: majority Bitcoin, second Ethereum, and then my other altcoins to the remaining, let's say 30 to 40% of my portfolio allocation. If you can look here, this has been actually a very red week. All cryptos are down, and I mean, you can't always just have a run up. So definitely, I mean, if you look into dollar cost averaging into some of the cryptos, because they are down, you can there might be some opportunities that you can pick up. Although over the past 24 hours, majority of all the top 100 coins are in the green, and you can see it with the Bitcoin price currently trading at just over 43,000 US dollars. And I mean, yesterday it was in the low 42,000 US dollars. So I think there's something happening, which is a very good sign for all the Bitcoin and crypto bulls out there. Just a look at the biggest gainers over the past 24 hours. ApeCoin, I mean, it was also on a bit of a downtrend. If you can look at the biggest losers, if you can say that, I mean, sure, Axie Infinity actually had a big dump. Yeah, they bit half of what their all-time high was now, just bit above the half of what the all-time high was. But yeah, I mean, that's crypto for you. If you look at the crypto fear and greed index, you can see we are at 34, so we're moving over to that fear. Like I said in my previous video, you want to buy the people's fear and sell the people's greed. We haven't seen this extreme greed side yet, and I'm still waiting for it. But I think if we look at what the chart's saying, there might be something popping up. So let's look at the Bitcoin chart, and I'm only going to look at the weekly chart here because when in doubt, zoom out. I mean, yes, we are looking bearish on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, as well as the daily chart. So let's look at the weekly chart. We are still in this uptrend. You can see higher highs and higher lows. There was support there. We broke the support there, support there, support there, and we formed this ascending triangle here, which is it is a bullish sign. And I also still have my technical target from breakout of the ascending triangle here at between the 53 and the 55,000 US dollar box price range, where this box is. But I want to show you something that I noticed now in the chart. So you can see here that we had this massive run up here. We tested the support levels here at just above the 43,000 US dollars. We broke down the support level, came to this big resistance line here, and we were just forming this ascending triangle here, testing the support, coming down, testing the support and breaking above the support. So look what is happening here. I mean, we are basically retesting the support. So if we can hold this level of, let's say, about 43,000, between 43,000 44,000 US dollars, we might still see this pattern playing out here of mine. So if we can have our weekly close above this, it's a very good sign for all the Bitcoin and Bitcoin bulls out there. I'm actually very excited to see where we are closing this week. We've still got a couple of hours left before the weekly close. And I mean, look here, we had a massive run up here. We tested this support level here. We didn't have this big run up like we had here, but we tested the support level, and I mean, we just skyrocketed here to the moon to about 68,000 US dollars. So I think this is a very good sign. And if I can show you here what is forming here, it's called a double bottom W pattern. I mean, you can see here the two the W pattern forming here, where the neckline is, breaking it, testing support, and then just going to the moon basically. So is this what is forming here? So let's change the indicators here quickly, and let's take out the line graph. I mean, you can clearly see here what we are seeing. We broke the neckline there, we dumped down a bit, formed the W pattern, broke out of support. Look here, forming the W pattern, broke out of support, testing the neckline again, and is what is forming here a W pattern that is, I'm really excited. I think that this is such a good sign. I mean, look, you can clearly see here with the start of the previous bull run, you can see the W pattern forming here, breaking the neckline there, and then just going up. The same thing is looking as if it's forming here, forming the W pattern here and breaking past the support here, retesting it. So is this what we are going to see? We'll just have to wait and see. I think give it still maybe within the next 2 months, I think it's going to be very interesting. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Let's grow this community and let's create wealth together.